Throughout most of the country, summers can be brutally hot, but that doesn't mean the work stops. In fact, for most industries, as the temperature rises, so does the amount of work that can and needs to be done, which means spending longer, hotter days on the job site. Now, did you know that heavy exertion and hot working conditions can cause your body to lose up to 1.5 liters of water per hour? Hydration is paramount to safety and productivity when working outside in the heat of summer. Without proper hydration, heat stress can quickly become a very real threat to your health. But what exactly is heat stress? Well, when your body starts losing fluid quicker than it's being rehydrated, you could experience intense symptoms including physical weakness, difficulty breathing, loss of consciousness, and in extreme situations, even death. Heat stress hospitalizes over 3,000 workers every year, and it typically comes down to inadequate hydration. That's where products like the Chillet's low-profile hydration pack from Ergodyne come into play. This hydration pack holds up to 2 liters of water, far more than your average water bottle. It's easy to transport and can even be used hands-free when your hands are dirty or the job just can't wait. NIOSH, the National Institute for Occupational Safety and Health, recommends that anyone working in heat drink as much as 1 liter per hour, which means you can get a little over 2 hours of proper hydration with the hydration pack. It's extremely low profile and made of a durable 420D nylon shell that covers an insulated sleeve to keep your water nice and cool. As we mentioned before, this hydration pack can even be used hands-free because of the MoFlow bite valve that allows you to simply bite down to start the flow of water. Where this hydration pack really outshines the average water bottle is with its Breakaway shoulder straps that allow you to take it anywhere you go. We've all been in that situation where you leave your water bottle all the way across the job site, and it's not convenient to retrieve it just for a drink. Well, this thing comes with you. You can even wear it while you're working for convenient access. The wide mouth opening provides an easy way to fill it up under a sink or a hose without removing it from the sleeve. And with the available cleaning kit, you can hit all the hard to reach cracks and corners for proper sanitation. It comes in black, Hi-Viz lime, or Hi-Viz orange for enhanced worker visibility. And it's ideal for applications like tower climbing, construction, landscaping, and fire and rescue. Don't overlook the importance of hydration when you're outside working this summer. Your body and your boss will thank you. Check out the Chillet's low-profile hydration pack from Ergodyne at GMEsupply.com. If you found this video helpful or entertaining, give us a like and consider subscribing to our channel. For more informational content and promotions, check us out on social media.